What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here, and I'm going to start off new year with my everyday tech carry. I'm going to show you guys everything that's inside my camera bag right here for my content creation edition. I'm going to also talk about this bag right here, which is the Peak Design 15-liter bag, which I have for quite some time now. I'm going to show you guys what's inside and so forth, so stick around. As a content creator living in Jamaica, I'm always passionate about capturing and sharing the natural beauty of Jamaica. Now, in doing this, it is great that we can have the latest technology that can enhance us to create the best possible content that we can. I'm also intrigued to explore and collaborate with a lot of creative, like-minded persons. Alright guys, so today I'm here with Alex Robinson, a fellow Jamaican content creator who create some awesome content, you know, whether from tech reviews and all those things. So today we're out here just linking up, you know, created some content. You guys can actually check him out. I'm going to put the link for his channel down in the description if you guys want to check out some awesome content that he create. And if you like my content, you're also going to like his content as well, because we create similar content of tech product and those things.
So make sure if you're watching this video, don't even move from here. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video, share it to your friends and family, because trust me, we're gonna take this thing to 1 million subscribers in the coming future. So make sure that you subscribe to his YouTube channel as well.
Alright guys, so starting off with the bag right here. This is the 15-liter Peak Design bag, which I've been using for quite some time now, and this is an everyday carry backpack as its name suggests, and it's just a great little bag where I can just slap on most of my important things. If I'm going out like to take some light shoot, some light content, this actually works quite fine. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to talk about few things that I like about this bag and few things that I don't like about this bag. This bag right here, it's just small, neat and compact. Actually, if you're going out like for like casual, not much, you just want to slap one camera into your bag, this will work quite fine. And the thing about this as well, it's easily to access things in your bag. Let's say I have a camera inside right here, I can just slide my bag to the side like this and just pull the section right here, and I can have access to things that is inside my bag. Just right here, just have it, real access to it without have to pull my bag off my back and put it down to actually access the stuff. So this is just a great feature right here. One thing that I don't like about this though is that the strap sometimes can feel a bit uncomfortable, especially if you're wearing this for a long time, and especially if a lot of stuff is inside the bag right here. I wish that I would have gone for like a bigger version, like the 20-liter, because this right here, all of my stuff that I really want to carry cannot hold in this bag right here, but I get it. This is just an everyday backpack which just gonna put some minimalistic things in. It's not gonna carry your whole set, your whole lot of gear inside this right here. Just something that you can just slap into a bag and you want to carry just for when you're going out on a trip or casual like that. So otherwise, it's a great bag that have strong build quality. So inside right here, I got my Sony ZV-E1. This is the 50mm lens on it right now. This lens though is what I use to take like pictures if I'm out and I just want to crop some pictures. I actually use this lens right here. I not really recommend it for video because I don't really take much video with this lens, just for my taking pictures, taking thumbnails and so forth. And the camera that I'm using right now to record this video is my iPhone 16 Pro Max, because I'm actually using my camera right here to show you guys what's inside my bag. Also, inside my bag right here, I got my Movo mic. I actually picked up this mic a few years now when I just started out on my YouTube channel. I'm going to put a link also in the description for all this product that I mentioned inside this video. But I actually was doing a review of this already, probably a couple years back when I just started out, and this right here still hold up. Great audio coming from this right here as well. So I actually use this mic probably like vlogging and so forth. I don't really want to put a lav mic onto I just use this right here instead. And also inside my bag as well, this is my lens, which is the 16 to 20mm lens, and this is my lens that always stays on my camera, my vlogging lens. I actually use it to shoot most things like parties, events and all those things. This lens right here, really great lens that I actually use. Also inside my bag, I got my GoPro as well. Now this is the GoPro 11. I actually have this for quite some time now. Well, I'm looking to more upgrade to something actually better. I mean, the image quality that is coming out of this GoPro right here is great, but I think that it can do better, meaning that I have this camera right here which produce exceptionally great image. This right here is not so much something that I would really recommend if you want to get those high quality videos. So, but it still can do the job. I still managed to get some vlog out of this right here. I can't complain. Right, so this is what in this top section right here, as you can see. And inside the bag as well, we can see this compartment right here, which actually separate the bag, which can actually pull out. I'm going to show you guys that later on as well. Now to the side right here, I got some more stuff. And this right here is my RC controller for my Mini 4 drone. Also in my bag as well, I got my DJI mic. So this is original DJI mic which they have first released right here, and it did a pretty job as well to capturing audio, especially if I'm like shooting like interview type of work. This right here works really well. Also got this little case right here. I did get this though with my camera when I actually purchased my camera. Just a little case to put stuff like my memory card in and those, and can't really left this right here always in my backpack. Also right here I got my drone, my Mini 4 Pro drone right here. Now you might be wondering why I'm having my drone inside this backpack, because sometimes I really don't like to carry a lot of bag. So whenever I can squeeze most of my equipment inside this bag right here, it will work really well for me. I actually have a drone bag as well, but sometimes I really don't bring it. Sometimes if I can just put it inside this bag right here, it actually hold and work quite fine. So moving on to some more stuff right here, I got my extra batteries, extra charger right here for my drone as well. And also I got my light, so if I want to just slap this onto my camera, I can do that with this light right here. Right here inside my bag as well, I got this Lano battery charger right here. Now this is what I can put my battery in, and I can just press this right here to actually see the battery percentage of where I'm at. So it actually stays like this, as you can see. So I can put my battery inside of it just like so, and I be able to see how many percent my battery actually with. So this is just a storage device to store my battery. You can also use to charge my battery as well, but though this one doesn't have any built-in battery inside, so the camera battery cannot charge into this one. I think they have released another one of this right here, upgrade version, where you can just place your battery inside and you can actually charge up while into this right here. Also inside my backpack, I got my SD card right here and my SD card cable, just to transfer some file, whether from my camera onto my computer, to do some quick edits. If I have some quick edits to do, I actually do that on this right here. Can't really leave out this, I have to have it inside my bag. And right in this top section right here, as you can see, is where I store things like my dead cat and some little more accessories like this right here, my dead cat from my microphone and so forth. So as you can see right here guys, this is everything from this section right here. As you can see, actually holds a lot. And also to the side right here, as you can see, I actually have my ND filter. Now this is a KNF concept ND filter, which I have used on my camera and countless time. Really saved me right there in terms of getting those exposure right. Also inside my bag right here, I have this little mini adapter from USB to USB-C. I can put my memory card in there as well. So this can use to, like, if I want to transfer a file from my phone onto my computer, I can actually use this right here. Very neat product that I always carry inside my bag as well. Now to the box section right here is where I store things like my extra batteries. So I have 2 extra batteries right here, and also inside the back piece right here I got my MacBook. This is the 14-inch MacBook M3 Pro chip. Inside it right here, I'm actually gonna do an update video of this. I actually did a video of this already when I just got it, just unboxed it, my first impression video. I hope you guys probably see that video already. And yeah, it's working good so far for me, and this is what I use to edit most of my content on right here. Really a workhorse. I'm actually gonna do a dedicated video of this as well, my long-term review, so you guys can see how it's actually holding up. Very great product right here. So thanks for watching. This is just all of my stuff that I carry inside my bag for my content creation, my everyday tech carry. So hope you guys find this video very helpful and enjoying. So remember to subscribe to this channel to see more content like this. Sometime in the future I might update this bag right here to something bigger, so stay tuned for that. And also see you guys. Remember, if you're a content creator, keep creating, stay peace, bless. I'm out.